Now we are in lesson 8. Select this ADCS. Open up this file. In this lesson we are talking about all the errors in the file which have modeled by somebody else and is delivered to you. Right now you are going to rectify all the error. So right now over here you may do a rebuild. Let's do a rebuild. It show you all the error and what is happening. Okay, we close this file, we do one by one. First of all, open this sketch. Over here you are able to see a blue dot over here, but when you zoom it bigger, you will find that it's actually a short line which add in. So what you're going to do right now, you just zoom in this area, you click delete, you close this sketch, and you start to complete one error. Okay, next step. Over here I'm talking about this exclude card. There is also an error. Now go and check what is wrong. They are talking about the relationship no longer exists. Is tangling. Either you delete or redo. Okay, right now we open up the sketch. Go normal 2. Now you see this gray color, this is tangling. If you select this line, you can find a red point over here, a coincident with this edge. But now it's tangling. So what we're going to do and how we're going to repair. I will come to the red point here, click this red point, click, drag, come to this edge, release, and it's already repaired. Okay, I move down, and I roll down again. Over here there is one cutting, a hole cutting, also an error. So let's check what happened. Okay, it is also a tangling. Let me refer to the page and I'll come back. Okay, right now open up this sketch, go normal 2. No, the dimension is having a tangling, 9 mm dimension. Okay, I select the end, the red dot over here, click this, drag. You see how I move? I drop it to this edge, release, I repair. Then I close this file. Right now, if I lower down, I still can find an error over here. Check what is wrong. Also a tangling. Right hand mouse click, edit sketch, normal 2, press shift, press arrow one time, shift arrow one time. Okay, zoom to the section over here, and after you zoom in, you press an escape to close up the zoom icon. Now once you select this gray color line, you can see a red dot. You press this, click this red dot, and you shift to the edge, drag and release. Okay, one time, Okay, this have already rectified, and next one also the red dot. Okay, release. Now close this sketch. Okay, finally we're talking about a fillet error. So what we're going to do right now, we already know that the filleting giving an error. So right now we select feature expert. Straight away it will test. Okay, right now we go another step. We close this file and open another one. This time we look for this fillet expert. Okay, talking about fillet, this is an option of fillet expert. Right now I'm going to do a 4mm fillet on one edge. Select fillet and I select fillet expert, type 4mm, and now zoom in this area, click, and over here I select a loop, start loop 11H, click. Now you can see the preview over here. What I need to do now is just apply. Okay, next step, I select the face over here. This time I select 0.5, apply. You see, this thing have created a 0.5 fillet. Now right now I'm going to do more fillet. This time I select the edge over here and I want to select this all internal and apply the fillet of 1 mm. Now look, internally all have been done. Next step, I want to do changes. I select this and this time I want this to be in 5 mm. Resize. Yes, I already created. So I click OK and I close this. Another type of fillet modification. A corner fillet. Okay, this is already created and now I want to make a little bit change. I select this and this is fillet 7. Okay, right now I'm going to add in a fillet, also expert. Now I will select corner. This time I select here, I show alternate. Okay, which one do I want? Maybe I would like to change in such way. Or do you want this way? Two options. I prefer this one. Okay, this thing have changed. And also I wanted to copy select copy to, it change, and I click OK. Okay, final one. Now we are talking about a draft expert. Close this file, open draft expert. These are all very simple items. Okay, a draft expert open up and add in. Okay, draft expert insert. Let me see. Quite some time now. This one, draft expert, feature expert. Okay, let me hold up for a moment. Okay, a draft expert over here. Right now I select the face from behind, and I want it to be a reverse. Auto paint. I want it to be 3 degrees. And first of all, if I hide this, it show you how actually this thing will react. Now I'm going to select the surface over here. I do a apply. You see, I get this change. And now, right now, I'm going to select those with 0 anchor. Apply. Everything have changed. And final one, let's say for example, I want this, instead of 3 mm draft, I want it to be 3 degree draft. Instead of 3, I want it to be 2 degree. Okay, I do a little bit changes over here. I type 2 and I click this surface, click change. Okay, all these have already changed. This is 3 degree, 2 degree. The balance is all 3 degree. Okay, this lesson 8 have already complete.